Assalamu alaikum. I am Sunil Joseph, your IELTS teacher. Well, today we're going to talk about IELTS. IELTS is abbreviation of International English Language Testing System. It consists of 4 tests: IELTS listening test, IELTS reading test, IELTS writing test, and IELTS speaking test. First of all, we're going to talk about IELTS listening test. IELTS listening test consists of 4 sections: Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, and Section 4. And you're gonna hear a recording for 30 minutes. And after hearing that recording for 30 minutes, covering all the 4 sections, Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, and Section 4, you'll hear the recording for 30 minutes. And then you have 10 minutes to transfer your answers on the answer sheet. This is all about the listening test duration. That its total duration is 40 minutes. 30 minutes is listening and writing the answers on the paper, whereas last 10 minutes are given to you to convert your answers on the answer sheet. And let's talk about IELTS listening section 1. In IELTS listening section 1, you're gonna hear the voice of 2 people. 2 people voice you will be hearing in that recording. You will be listening the answers on the paper, whereas last 10 minutes are given to you to convert your answers on the answer sheet. And let's talk about IELTS listening section 1. In IELTS listening section 1, you're gonna hear the voice of 2 people. 2 people voice you will be hearing, 2 people's voice you will be hearing, and it can be an interview between a teacher and a student. It can be an interview between a customer and a shopkeeper, or any other. It's a dialogue between 2 people in which one person is going to ask questions and the second person is going to answer the questions. And in that way, out of those answers, you're given questions in your IELTS section 1, and you have to answer those questions. And there are a couple of more important things associated with IELTS listening test section 1. That is that in IELTS listening recordings, 0 is not pronounced as 0, it's pronounced as O. For example, 0300 will be called as 0300. If there are any kind of if there are any kind of unusual words, then in that recording you will be listening the spelling of those words. They're gonna spell those words. And in my next video we shall be solving listening section 1 test, so that you can understand it further. If you like the video, please subscribe the video, and thank you very much.